to ETO Kids Family 2. Today we're back with another video, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe,
Like, share,
and don't forget to give a big thumbs up
and smash that subscribe button.
And don't forget to click that notification bell and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, so today we are
eating Popeyes. Well, we're gonna show you a tour of it.
This is another video, by the way.
So my sister's gonna be going first and tell you all of that.
No, like,
Yeah.
we're having Popeyes today, and we're gonna dig in. But before we get started, we're gonna show you guys what we got today. So let me go start. So first, I got 2 legs. I got a biscuit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like this is what I have right here. Oh, okay. So yeah, I have that. I have 2 legs, a biscuit, and some French fries, and I got some Fanta, cherry Fanta, and orange Fanta. Got some barbecue on the side. My sister got.
I got some fries and a biscuit, and I can't really pick this up, but I got a chicken breast and
Thigh.
a chicken breast is like a big
Thigh.
and a thigh.
No, it's a thigh and a leg.
Oh, it's a thigh.
A chicken breast, by the way, guys, it's bigger.
And a leg, like a mini.
My brother got.
French
And
fries.
she got her drink.
My drink is lemonade and Fanta.
Alright, Christian got chicken nuggets, fries, and some ketchup. Alright, Christian, it's just the ketchup. Alright.
Let's help you out.
So,
I'm gonna start with my fries.
with your hand.
I'm gonna keep my
He said put it in his hands.
What?
Ketchup. You could just share with this with me, okay?
That might be spicy.
Here.
That's cute. We have to play this marble and fabulous. I'm not bossy. Yes, I'm making other okay.
Yes.
I want ketchup.
I'm gonna try the fries.
I want to try spicy.
Ketchup. Pour it.
Yeah.
So easy to pour. The fries are so good.
Now do it for 5 dollars. Now do it for 5. Actually, do it for 5. Do it. 5.
Fries are the best.
I'm not eating. I'm not eating. I'm party. I'm not eating. Popeyes. Whoa,
Party.
Giant.
Alright, let's eat that same factory.
Okay, let's try it. Not for me. So good. I just feel
It's very oily.
Yeah, I need nothing. Yeah,
So thank you.
thank you. Welcome. That was very oily.
So you're putting it on top of mine?
Okay,
I'm gonna try to pick on my biscuit. I always eat my biscuits last. Like I did there.
hot spicy chicken. Hot spicy chicken.
You guys should try Popeyes. So good.
Fabulous.
I'm gonna add some of this.
It's not dry. Orange is done.
And then I'm gonna sprinkle some fries. Then I'm gonna eat it.
Guys.
Not really the best common combo for chicken.
You know, like there's a new one that's called spicy wings. You know that one? Spicy wings from Popeyes. You want them? Look at this one.
I put that up.
Look.
Well, they've been putting
There's
it up.
Can't believe it. Okay, now.
Well done. You guys should comment down below if you guys like Popeyes.
Me.
Like this is my first.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and give a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe
Like
button
this video.
and like this video and
Yeah. So,
click
bye.
that notification bell to get notifications from us for you guys, and thank you guys for watching our video.